What I saw last night, that Yari embraced the Senate President, GODSWILL AKPABIO, we believe that things will move on rightly. Was a clear testimony that Nigerians are interested in the unity of the country. Nigerians are not going to allow division. The emergence of GODSWILL AKPABIO, who come from the south and the south region, shows that Mr. President has been able to explain to Nigeria that, look, on no account will he allow Nigeria to be polarized. The G5 governors, we said we are going to support Mr. President. EMERGENCE as governor, all of us, we put ourselves together and say, look, we must go out because we cannot say now we are supporting Mr. President to win the election and then we cannot support him for the no-nos. And that's what has played out, just like we did in the 2023 general election. We said we are not going to allow injustice. We believe in fairness, we believe in equity, we believe in justice.
He says the interest of Nigeria is paramount to him than that of any political party.
We cannot be intimidated or be teleguided by people who don't mean well for this country, by people who believe that Asiwaju should not be president, or Asiwaju being president maybe has affected them one way or the other. We cannot. Me in particular will not accept that. Nothing will make me to accept that. They should not fail Nigerians. They should not be rubber stamped, but they should not go and fight the president for no reason. How Nigerians benefit from it. That's what you should answer. Not whether you oppose president, you didn't oppose president. Having opposed president, what is there for Nigerians to say we benefited from opposing Mr. President?